In this video I will show you step by step how you can create a photo collage on your Instagram story. So first of all, let's head over to our Instagram. Once we open it up here, just click as you would usually to upload a story. So I'll click on this little icon. That will then bring me over to my camera roll where I can select, whatever image I want to start with. So I will just choose this image. You can resize it, you can change where the position is and anything like that. And then once you are happy to add another photo, what we can do is we can simply go ahead and click on the stickers icon. Once we do this, scroll down until you see the option for this little icon right here. Select this. That will then again bring us to our camera roll where we can select a second image. You can resize it and move it around as much as you like. Again, you can add another one, click on the same icon, and then you can add another image if you want to do that. Resize it, change it around. You can also change the shape if you want. If I click on the one which is in the back, as you can see, what it will do is it will bring it to the front. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can create a photo collage on your Instagram story. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.